Right, good morning. Got a Monday morning. Looking to start this week off strong. Oh, excuse me. Didn't trade last Wednesday or Thursday, but we did take a trade on Friday, and the Apex account is up $247. One profitable trade. And where are we at now? So let's take a look. We keep moving up, all-time highs, right? That pre-market highs, all-time highs. Say all-time highs because it didn't happen during the market open, but we have that level, and then we have Friday's high, Friday's low way down here. I added this new level based off of Friday and this pre-market's price action around 21,600. As far as what I'm watching, I wouldn't be surprised to see a bit of a pullback. Especially after that run that we had yesterday, like going through this area of no support, just a straight up move. I'd be surprised to see us come back down at some point, maybe not today. Now that I look at it, it's about 100 points from where we are, so it might be a little bit extreme. We'll see. Okay. We have limited news today. I think we just have one thing coming out. That's wholesale inventories, so not a lot going on there. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see her right there. Excuse me. Need to wake up. I wouldn't be surprised to see her right there, but doesn't mean it's a sell-off. I'm not really trying to go into it with a bias. So basically, we'll see if this level holds. Do we make our way back up to Friday's high? This level breaks, like I said, we don't have a lot of support in here. We just got a quick move up without any real consolidation in this area. So if we break down, especially below like this pre-market low, we see a bigger move to the downside, maybe to the next level of support. Possible, certainly possible. Market's just opening up. A lot of consolidation in this little area here. Trying to break that level. See if we get past that pre-market low. Like we're trying. Pretty aggressive candle right off the open, like 30 points or so. But it's about to take out that pre-market low too. There it goes. All right. Now we flipped all the way back green. Just swept the pre-market lows. Now rallying 20 points to the upside. Definitely Pretty wild volatility right off the open. I'm gonna give it some time. The first 2 minutes of that was pretty wild.
Good morning.
Good morning, fellas. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. Open on NQ is insane.
What'd it do?
They opened and dropped like 40 points and then switched and rallied like 40 points all in a couple minutes.
Hello, boys.
What's up, Ivan?
What's up, Dominic?
Dominic.
Nick Toretto. Oh man, that was a crazy car wreck.
Yeah, man.
Should get on video next time.
Yeah.
Pictures are
My
cool.
only mistake. My only mistake.
Gotta record it.
We are currently flipping over. Not funny, but I'm sorry. That's just crazy, really. You like went off the side, I'm assuming?
I went front cliff, I believe.
There's like no guardrail or something there?
No.
Why would you not put a guardrail there? Them Croatians, man.
That's
Wow.
Croatian.
You obviously don't need it. He's fine. Guardrails are sissy.
Yeah.
They obviously don't need it. Still stuck in this range. Yeah. Oh. Well, yes. NQ's like on the lower end of that range.
Mm-hmm.
We got CPI and PPI this week. They might be kind of slow.
Where were all you guys on Friday? What was going on? I was out here being a Lone Ranger.
This was one of those days.
I feel
Oh, was
I have
nobody
work.
on?
just me, man.
I worked that morning.
No, it's all good. I think Yvonne was doing a double backflip in his car.
Yeah, I did not
I'm just
very
joking.
Friday.
I want you to know I am happy you're all right. That is insane. It was a crazy morning though on Friday. I mean, I'm sure you looked at it. Just went like straight up.
I think I was trading on Friday. I was just having one of those days.
Oh, you're good, brother. No problem at all.
Oh yeah, I'm looking back at it now. I remember. I don't think I caught anything good.
I got a little short at the top, but I kind of got scared by some of the volatility, and I took a smaller profit, and then it went and hit what would have been my original goal. So it was a lesson to not be a scared trader. Although I was in that trade for like 35 minutes. Felt like eternity.
Yeah, it's a lot longer than usual for you, huh?
Yeah. I think we see a red day on NQ. Been looking weak. Could be wrong, but Yeah. Funny how opposite they've been lately. NQ's starting to bounce and go up. Yes, doing the exact opposite.
Yeah, it's been like that lately.
It has been.
It's these all-time highs, bro. It's weird.
Yeah, it has been tricky up here. Yvonne, I was looking at those the payout rules for Apex. I watched that video and looked into it a bit more. They're not bad at all.
I think they're more than fair.
Yeah. It's like, don't lose 30% of your balance in a trade, don't make 30% of your balance in a trade, and then have a risk to reward better than like 1 to 5.
Yeah.
Like, I'd be amazed if you were getting payouts if you were doing those things. You have a 1 to 5 risk to reward, that's insane.
Do you have to put in your R to R before you take a trade or during a trade?
I'm guessing that they just know by, I don't know, I don't think you have to enter it. I think it just tracks it when you do trading. I don't know how that works.
It tracks your drawdown. So if you're like $300 in drawdown and then you take like $20 profit.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. So they won't know if it's like a 1-to-1 if you don't have any drawdown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, technically, yeah.
Okay.
So the rule is don't let your trade goes down so much.
Yeah, that's
Take
fair.
your losses and that's it.
But yeah, I was looking at those rules and I was like, that's not bad at all. I mean, like all 3 of those you can just avoid if you just, yeah, have like decent risk management. You need like 8 trading days, and out of those 8, 5 of them you have to make like $50 or more or something.
Yeah. Above $50, yeah.
Yeah, so I guess you could, you're already profitable and you want to pay out, you could just start trading with like 2 contracts or something. That's the only one that I could see being like a little bit of an issue, where you're like, you want to pay out, but you need to hit that minimum requirement of trading days, and you're like not trying to force stuff.
Yeah, so you have like an 8-day window every time, or what?
Yeah, I think like in the, yeah, I might misspeak, but I believe in like the previous 8 days you need at least 5 days that you make over $50 or something like that.
Yeah, but 8-day trading. You must trade for 8 days.
Oh, so it doesn't have to be like necessarily consecutive days, it's just the last 8 days you've taken a trade?
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. See, I thought it was like consecutive. That makes more sense. I was gonna say if it's consecutive, I don't really like that because I feel like it'd like force you to take trades you might not otherwise.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Those 8 days can be like 1 month.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. That's not bad at all. Wow. Now I just need to get funded.
You ended up getting something for Black Friday?
I got a 50K account. It's like $16. It's a great deal. I debated getting multiple, but I figured I'll stick with the plan and just get one for now. NQ looks like it's gonna be choppy.
Yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna simulate a long.
Yeah, I was gonna say NQ long here wouldn't be terrible. Retesting that little range it broke out of.
I don't trust it enough to take it on the account though.
Yeah, I don't necessarily love it, but I don't think it's a bad idea. Also have news in a couple minutes. I'm gonna grab some coffee, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back.
Welcome.
Did you guys get the new update on, I don't know if you have iPhones, but if you do, how do you feel about the new update?
iPhone.
I don't know, like if you pull down, if you do like the down scroll to pull up like your settings or whatever.
Oh yeah, that layout.
That layout. And then like on my home screen it went away, but it used to have all these like little symbols on it. I don't know. It's weird. I'm just old, I guess. Stop messing with my phone.
I feel like everything's the same. Other than that. Oh, my messages are cooler now.
You get messages?
People text me sometimes.
That seems pretty cool. What update is that?
Yeah. It's a secret.
I don't think I have that software.
Come on. I woke up for this. This chop.
No news Monday for you.
Yeah, it's been I don't know. Past like week or so has been kind of iffy. Yeah, I guess the all-time high stuff. Nobody knows what to do.
Yeah, it's been weird.
That was a nice move for Euphoria.
I added one contract down low.
Thank you, Dre. I appreciate that. We'll see if I end up taking a trade. Been a little bit of a choppy morning so far. We're in this pre-market range and yesterday or Friday's range. So last week I took like couple trades, not very many. So although I want to pass this challenge account, I also try and be patient, just wait for a good setup. I appreciate it, man. I hope you have a good one. And news did nothing. Which makes me think we are going to have a pretty choppy day. Not even the news brought any movement.
Wholesale inventory.
I don't think that usually does much anyways. You still in that trade, Fully?
Dude, I got out and reversed it because I thought I saw something, and then got out again, because I didn't like it. So no, I'm not in it anymore.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's kind of ugly right now.
Learning this ICT stuff is really hard on the brain, but I feel like it's finally starting to like make sense.
I haven't looked into it at all. I mean,
Yeah, it's different. It's learning a different way to look at the markets, but finally starting to grasp what they're saying.
nice. Yeah, I just wasn't sure if it would be like give me too much to think about. You know what I mean? Like almost like too much information,
So that's kinda what
overanalyzing
happened.
everything.
I was going through those mentorship videos that he was pumping out. I got to like the 12th episode, and they're all like 2 to 4 hours long. Fucking, I don't know how many hours, but at some point, it got to a point where it was just like way too much information, just information overload. So I've kind of taken a step back and then gone back to a different YouTuber that trades ICT, but just following his exact system.
You should take.
After watching ICT talk about it and then going to a trader that uses his stuff but for their own specific way of trading, it's kind of opened my eyes up a little bit.
Nice. Yeah, I wonder if you could just give like the YouTube transcripts to ChatGPT and just be like, give me the 3 most important lessons. Tell me how to use this in a trading strategy.
No
No,
flaws.
it's not a bad idea, honestly.
ChatGPT is like the new Google in terms of just like helping you, right? I don't use it probably as much as I need to, but sometimes for stuff like that, like if you're just like boil this difficult concept down into like 4 bullet points for me, it's kind of nice.
Maybe I should do that.
It's not always 100% accurate, but it's pretty good. I'm an AI trader. I'm just the personality. AI trades for me, actually.
I still kind of like this to the upside.
I mean, overall, we're still in a downtrend. Long term uptrend, short term downtrend.
I guess, yeah.
The hourly looks like it could bounce from around here. I have a level that I drew around like 21,607.
Yeah.
It's holding it really well in the hourly in like 15 minutes. But yeah, I don't know.
Hourly till we break like 5:30.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not trading anything right now. Past couple weeks been good for teaching patience. It's like watching and not doing anything, I guess.
Yeah, I can see it. One way to look at it.
I mean, there's like, I think I only took like 2 trades last week. Wednesday and Thursday, I didn't do anything. Still been getting that jujitsu on fully.
Dude, I haven't been in a couple weeks. I gotta go this week though. Been slacking. But I was sick last week, so it's not my fault.
It's a unique submission. Just cough in their face. It's slow acting, but next week I'll be here to finish you off. Once I get my money right, I'm gonna join a martial arts gym.
Nice. You know what you like to do?
I've had a little exposure to like everything. I really like kickboxing and Muay Thai. I like striking a lot, but jiu-jitsu was a lot of fun too. I think my only concern there is like everybody I know does jiu-jitsu gets injured, like just practicing. It seems like it's tough on your joints.
It can be, yeah. I mean, it does matter a whole lot on who you're
That's true.
rolling with, you know?
Yeah. That's very true.
By looking weak. Might get a new low here.
But I'd like to do a little bit of everything.
Just join an MMA gym.
It'd be fun.
Yeah.
You ever do any like striking?
I haven't in a while. I used to only do that.
Pretty fun.
But yeah, no, I enjoy striking more than jiu-jitsu. I just haven't done it in forever. I think I'm supposed to start doing that though on Wednesdays. We'll see. It's a lot.
Yeah.
I used to when I was a kid.
Still.
Tournaments and stuff like that.
Are you in like karate or taekwondo or something?
That's karate, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, my brothers did karate, and I don't think my parents ever put me in karate. Price actions is pretty terrible. The volume's so low.
Yeah.
Just not doing it.
For today.
Looks like we might be getting a breakdown here in Q. Pretty weak. Either that or it just bounces off the bottom of this range again.
Close this week here, probably see like 580, 583.
Hmm. Maybe not.
Hello, boys.
You're announcing your return.
Yeah. Twice close to yesterday. I'm in Friday lows and pre-market low.
SPY's looking pretty nice for potential downside move. Maybe NQ will fall through as well. Yeah, that's more appropriate.
Maybe sort of here. I want to see it go below. Like it is fine. So he's kind of bold though.
I want to go down.
Oh, I'd be making a move.
Let's go. I got 10 micros up here.
Nice. On the demo account.
Yeah. No, we still got quite a ways to go. Ten micros is one mini, right?
Yes, sir.
It's weird seeing it move like this.
Yeah, it is pretty crazy. What, 10 points is like $200?
Yeah.
That's pretty wild. You think about hitting like a 40-point slapper on 10 contracts? Oh man. 8 hundo?
It's normal for some guys. It's crazy.
I know. But then you copy trade with 10 accounts, so that's 8 racks. You have to change your name to Umar. It's just crazy. The people who make like 6 figures in a day, I can't even imagine. Hit a trade like that, I'd go sleep for like a month. So the adrenaline dump would probably put me in a coma.
That's a big wick. Not really.
On ES, yeah. What the hell?
In comparison to how it's been, yeah. When there's no volatility, just buy more contracts.
Still not short fully. Starting to move a little bit. Target's like low a day.
Oh yeah. Yeah, 585.
We'll see it. Like 10 points away. Very nice. Giving you the tease. There you go. Wow. That was a nice move.
One contract would have made me about $500 just now.
One mini.
Yeah, one mini.
Crazy.
$494.
Still going. Now it's moving. Holy cow.
Too late to chase.
What's that?
It's too late to chase it now.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
I was hoping for a pullback, but it's just dropping. Yeah, I was expecting more choppy, so
Jeez.
I'm an idiot.
What's up?
Didn't keep any runner. I had 10 contracts and I sold all of them right there.
Alright. You got a little dubski.
Yeah, I guess so. Concept. That's what today's about. is Jameson your drink of choice?
Sometimes. Sometimes, man.
You're a JMO guy?
Don't say that you're a vodka guy.
Fuck no.
Thanks.
Not for me.
Ryan could be vodka guy.
Vodka.
No.
Ryan's a vodka guy.
What are you saying then?
Ryan's vodka guy.
That's just false.
You don't say.
I like rum and tequila.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't like hate vodka, but it's not my choice.
You got a drink, Scream?
Jack and Coke.
Classic.
Keep it simple.
Oh, yeah.
What did you say? What?
I like whiskey.
Yeah, man.
He said a nice warm glass of milk. I get milk drunk.
You ever tried spiked coffee?
What is that? Just whiskey in your coffee?
I don't know what they do to it, but I had it on a cruise ship once.
My mom does that sometimes. She puts like, I think it's called Kahlua. It's like a coffee flavored liqueur.
Yeah, I don't know. I might get out.
Sounds good, man. Yeah, I'm sticking around for a little bit, but I don't know if I'm gonna take anything.
Yeah, looks like we miss only good setup
It's
today.
the only opportunity yet.
Yeah.
Alright,
Nice play, nice play, man.
definitely.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Do you want?
See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
See you.
Bye.
Jeez.
Still going.
Ooh, what did we say earlier? Bullish under 530 or bearish.
I don't have like a level of support until like 21 493, 495, somewhere in there.
Yeah, I see where you're at. I'm watching that hourly fair value gap we just ran through.
Yeah, same on the 4 hour as well. That, yeah, that level,
Yeah.
like 490, yeah, it's kind of like the fair value gap as well, or like the complete fill of it.
Oh yeah. Nah, if we close below that, that's pretty bearish. Get a little pull back up. And then probably see below like 420.
Nice.
The cool thing is, dude, about this ICT stuff is they say it's fractal, so you can trade it on any time frame. So if I wanted to one day, it just all translate into swing trading pretty seamlessly.
Nice. That's cool.
Yeah, pretty excited about that. It was cool hearing about that. I think I'd like to try swing trading sometime. We've got a few funded accounts or so.
Mm-hmm.
potential bounce?
It's gonna bounce for a little bit, at least on NQ. I don't know how far it will go. Actually, wouldn't mind seeing it get a little retest to that like pre-market low, or retest and rejection maybe. Let's see.
I was tempted just there, but I don't know. I feel like I might be forcing it. Maybe I'll just wait.
Pretty strong push up so far. Oh, it might be nice for rejection. I'll be right back.
Scream, how often do you get to skate?
Maybe like once a week.
Nice.
I try to.
It's good. You working on anything right now?
Getting it all back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while. I
Yeah.
started skating maybe like a month ago,
Yeah.
but before then it's been years.
Mm.
So I'm just trying to get it.
Did you stop because of an injury or just life?
Just life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Regret stopping. It is what it is.
Every time I pick it back up, I just imagine where I could be if I didn't stop.
Yeah.
But I never got like good. I'm too scared to board slide or anything like that. I can 50-50 and like 5-0, but that's the extent of my grinding.
I think I skated like last Wednesday, and I don't know. I get my job is like physical, so
Pretty tired. It's hard to want to get
Tired.
out there.
yeah.
Yeah.
My back, or like the side of my hip was like bothering me, so I'm just like, let me just stop skating before something happens.
Yeah.
Damn, what a drop. I was really expecting today to just be choppy. It's a nice move.
Yeah, I was hoping for a nice little like pullback. Get one green candle and it's right back down. This ES didn't even have that holy. Yes, it's dumping. Sounds good, man.
Call it there.
Nice work. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Later.
I'm gonna stick around for a little bit. Stick around for a little bit longer, because I am interested in this level down here. And there's definitely some buying happening in here. If you look at the volume, look at the lower wicks, like super high volume on this candle here is kind of like a hammer. Same here, same here. Not a guarantee that I'll take anything, but something I'm watching. It might be an opportunity. Volume's really low though, like this 5-minute candle. Non-existent volume. I don't love. Just kind of dropping off a cliff here. Makes me think we're probably not gonna bounce. You gotta want to see something more like this. High volume hammer. Move out of that. Move like 40 points off that. So as we come down and approach this level, I'd like to see us hold. Get some candles that indicate a reversal. Get some volume to support it. And that would make me think that we'd have, you know, enough buyers to push it up 30-40 points. Make it worth the trade. But at the moment, it's not really looking like it. I still think it bounces from down here. It wouldn't surprise me at all. If it is going to bounce, it should be here. but we've also been pretty weak all day, so putting my money on a move to the upside. I want to see something that makes me feel confident in it, and this doesn't. Add something, make a new low here. There it is. Still think it bounces. I just don't want to get in without a signal. Here we're starting to see some volume pick up. A little bit of sign of life. Already higher than the previous two candles. Not even halfway through the 2 minute. Good sign. That EMA has been a barrier all day. Rejected right off of it. Like a 30-point move. Yeah, the downside's definitely the play today. But I wouldn't want to short it at this moment. A little bit too late for that, in my opinion. I don't know why these levels aren't showing up on my 2 minute. But testing Friday's low here soon if it gets any lower. 10 points or so. Man, I'd love if it just gave me something I could take a quick trade off. I don't know if it's going to. Let me see, touch Friday's low there, pretty much to the T. Got nice volume on this so far, so looking pretty bearish. Unless things get pushed back up. We got 1 more minute on this 5 minute. If it hits both of those and closes above, that 2 minutes pretty bearish. These two consecutive candles, high volume on the rejection, higher volume on the bearish, widespread candle. That's looking pretty bearish. So definitely have to give it a few more minutes and see what things look like. Yeah, I guess we're not getting a bounce. It's just a very weak day. I missed the entries to the downside. The rejections off that 13 EMA were pretty nice twice in a row now. Both times would have worked out with essentially zero drawdown, like zero drawdown at all. Alright, I think I'm going to call it there. I did not take a trade today. There were some potential entries, but not really according to what I want to look for, so that is what it is. I'd rather not take a trade than take a bad trade. And we've been weak today. Didn't chase it. But unfortunately, it just keeps dropping. So even if I did chase it, I probably would have made money. It's just how it is sometimes. You just gotta watch it happen and be okay with it. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow and see if we can't get back on track and maybe see if we can't take a trade. See if the setup presents itself. It's frustrating because I was saying that I think today was going to be a red day. I was saying how if it broke below this range, we could see it come down here because it doesn't have much support in the intermediate, and all those things happened. So it's like I had a pretty good read on where we were. I just didn't have the entry or the execution to enter. So be it, but you can't win them all. Alright guys, have a good one. Have a good day.